How to see truck stops with discounts. Navigate to Fuel Management and select Fuel Prices. Here, you can see a map of all truck stops in the area that offer discounts. Those with the best prices are highlighted in red. You can click on a specific truck stop to see the rebate offered by that location. You can see truck stops in a specific city or state by using the panel on the right. The map will automatically update once you've entered your desired location. You can also filter the map by truck stop network. You can even find the best truck stops along a given route. Enter the origin and destination cities in the top right corner of the map to bring up a map of locations offering discounts along your chosen route. Need help? Click on chat or call 888-451-6888.